The Wise Rabbit and the Foolish Lion.
Once upon a time, in a deep jungle, there lived a cruel and greedy lion named Simha. He was the king of the jungle, but he was very selfish. Every day he hunted and ate many animals. The poor animals were afraid that one day none of them would be left. One day the animals gathered and went to the lion. A wise old deer said, "O mighty king, if you continue to hunt like this, soon there will be no animal left in the jungle. We have an idea. Every day, one animal will come to you as your food. That way, you won't have to hunt and we can live in peace." The lion thought for a while and agreed. "Fine, but if no animal comes, I will eat all of you." The animals were scared but had no choice. Every day, one animal went to the lion as food. One day it was a rabbit's turn. He was small but very clever. He did not want to be eaten, so he made a plan. He walked slowly towards the lion's cave, taking his time. By the time he reached the cave, the lion was angry and hungry. "Why are you late?" the lion roared. The rabbit bowed and said, "Oh, great king, I was on time. But on my way here, another lion stopped me. He said he is the real king of the jungle." The lion became furious. "What? Another lion in my jungle? Take me to him." The clever rabbit led the lion to a deep well and pointed inside. "He is in there, my lord," said the rabbit. The lion looked inside and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another lion. "How dare you enter my jungle?" he roared. The lion jumped into the well to fight, but splash! He fell into the deep water and drowned. The clever rabbit ran back to the other animals and told them what had happened. The animals cheered and danced. The greedy lion was gone, and the jungle was peaceful again. Moral of the story: wisdom is more powerful than strength. Arrogance and greed lead to downfall. A clever mind can defeat even the strongest enemy.